Hello, thank you so much for joining us today. This is Melany with Digital Eagle. It is with great pleasure that I'm announcing that we have a brand new webinar series starting next week that is jam-packed with industry leaders and business professionals coming from various walks of life, thought leaders in the financial industry, blockchain technology industry, digital currency industry, health and wellness industry, also the farming industry. And what I mean by farming is organic farming. And people, entrepreneurs just like you and I, that have developed products and brands and services. So we're all coming together on this amazing podcast series to collaborate, lift one another up, support one another. You're going to find a whole new network of joint venture business partners that are here to support you truly. And we are literally changing lives. We're helping people. We're helping to create positive change for the planet. And we are also bringing prosperity to everything it is that we are doing. Now, I am super excited about this because I have a great passion to help with projects that are making a direct impact on our environment. And also, I love nothing more than connecting the right people together so that you can actually have the success brought to your projects. I'm Melany. I'm on LinkedIn. I'm a premium member. I love LinkedIn because it connects me to a whole network of business-minded professionals that I can engage with. So I'd love to see you in our webinars, 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, like clockwork, every single week. Our Zoom ID is 604-300-4555. That's 604-300-4555. It's also my direct cell phone number. I made it that way to make it easy for you. There is no password required. And we also have a sign up page on our website, which is www.digitaleagle.ca. And we also, of course, have a YouTube channel, which is a collection and a library for all of our past webinars so that you don't feel like you've missed out on a topic that you really wanted to engage with, but perhaps maybe you were just a little bit too busy with your own schedule. So if you want to be a guest speaker on this platform, please reach out to me. Again, it's Melany with Digital Eagle. We're more than just a digital marketing company. We are a community that collaborates and comes together and grows and builds beautiful business partnerships. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to this message today, and we look forward to seeing you on our webinars. And just to recap, we do have a brand new schedule that we're rolling out next week. We'll have Money Mondays at 5 p.m. Tuesday, we'll have just social time, 7 to 8 p.m. And Thursdays, we'll do a full-on presentation for 1 hour on a specific topic, followed then by social networking for 1 hour. So 1 hour on Monday, 1 hour on Tuesdays, 2 hours on Thursdays, and all of this will be recorded and also put onto our YouTube channel in case you don't have a chance to engage. But we love it when people come on live because that's where the magic happens. Magic happens when people are connected with one another. So this is why this platform was created, was so that we can connect you. You can just see in the backdrop here, these little dots that are connecting. I like to think of us as the stars in the galaxy, and magic does happen when those stars collide. So we'll see you on Thursday, 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And this Thursday, May the 13th, we have industry leaders coming on from many different walks of life. And it's going to be a fabulous evening. So thanks again for listening, and make this a beautiful, magical, and successful and abundant day. Thank you again. See you soon.